High temperature this time of the year is 70 degrees. Today we were stuck in the 60s for most of the day, and that's where it is right now. 64 at BWI Marshall. The wind's just starting to pick up now out of the northeast at 12. It'll get stronger as we go through the night and into tomorrow as this big storm gets organized that we were talking about, but not too windy right now. Temperatures in the 60s elsewhere. It eventually drop into the upper 50s and low 60s by tomorrow morning. It's already down to 59 in Frederick, but it's still 67 degrees top of the hour in Annapolis. And if you've been out this evening, you know we've seen a few passing rain showers. Those will continue overnight tonight. You can see them coming in from the east to the west. The big storm is still off to our south. It's just getting organized off the southeast coast. As we mentioned, I think Baltimore is going to miss the worst of it. It's not going to be a nice day tomorrow, but we should miss the worst of it. But at the beach, it'll be a different story. It could be kind of bumpy at Ocean City and all the Delmarva beaches. So let's take a look at our futurecast, let you know what you can expect rain-wise as we head into tomorrow. This is 6 o'clock in the morning. Some scattered showers around in the morning, but the further we go into the afternoon, the better the chance that some rain will catch up to us. I don't expect any heavy rain around. This is 6 p.m. Tomorrow evening, but we could see some pockets of moderate rain come through from time to time. The wind might be a bigger story than the rain. We could use a lot of rain, but we're not going to get a lot, I don't think, on Sunday. Generally under a half-inch of rain in most places, with the heavier amounts on the eastern shore and down towards the beaches. But the winds will gust up close to 30 miles per hour around Baltimore. It'll be worse at the beach, though. This is our forecast for 5 p.m. on Sunday, the European model, forecasting wind gusts 54, 55 miles per hour at Ocean City. That's almost like tropical storm conditions. There'll be a lot of beach erosion and some coastal flooding along the Delmarva beaches as well. The forecast here at home, mostly cloudy tonight, chance for showers, breezy, temperatures drop back into the upper 50s and low 60s. During the day tomorrow, it's going to be windy, gusts up to 30 miles per hour possible. Off and on rain showers are likely. The high temperatures in the mid 60s. On Monday, some rain's going to stick around, and it's still going to be windy on Monday as well. The high near 64 degrees, and then the storm will start to pull away. The rest of the week, the weather looks pretty quiet. Nice, actually. The high temperature is a little below normal, but sunshine Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, probably Saturday as well, with highs in the mid 60s and overnight lows in the 40s.